Have you ever wondered how you could double your money without relying on sheer luck? Imagine a formula so simple, yet so powerful, it can predict the future of your investments. Welcome to the fascinating world of the Rule of 72. In today's video, we're unraveling this financial secret that can turn you into a savvy investor. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change your financial future forever. What is the Rule of 72? Ever wondered how long it would take for your investment to double at a certain interest rate? The Rule of 72 holds the key to this financial enigma. If you want to know how long it will take you to double your investment at a specific fixed interest rate, the Rule of 72 is the fastest way to do so. But even if you're not looking to multiply your money twofold, knowing the period of time it would take to do so can help you infer when you would reach your goal portfolio size. Calculating compound interest can seem like deciphering an ancient code with complex formulas that make most people reach for a calculator. But with the Rule of 72, all you need is your fixed annual interest rate. Simply divide 72 by this rate, and the result is the number of years it will take for your investment to double. When working with percentages, keep the interest rate as a whole number. For instance, if your interest rate is 8%, just use 8, not 0.08. The magic formula looks like this. 72 divided by your annual interest rate equals years to double your investment. For example, if your interest rate is 6%, dividing 72 by 6 gives you 12 years for your money to double. The sweet spot for the Rule of 72 is around an 8% interest rate, but it works reasonably well for rates between 4% and 15%. Outside this range, the rule becomes less accurate, but it's still a handy shortcut compared to full-fledged compound interest calculations. Discover the thrill of watching your investments grow and double over time with the Rule of 72. It's your quick, intriguing guide to unlocking the power of compound interest. The formula for the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 can be expressed simply as years to double equals 72 rate of return on investment or interest rate. Understanding the Rule of 72 can unlock the secret to doubling your money with surprising ease. Here's how it works. First, forget the decimals. When applying the Rule of 72, use whole numbers. For instance, if your interest rate is 7%, just use the number 7. So 72 divided by 7 gives you approximately 10.3 years to double your investment. This rule is tailored for annual compounding interest. If you're dealing with simple interest, the formula changes. Take your interest rate as a decimal and divide 1 by this number. For example, a 10% simple interest rate on $100 would mean 1 divided by 0.1, giving you a doubling time of 10 years. When it comes to continuous compounding interest, the number to use is 69.3 instead of 72. This provides a more precise estimate, though 72 remains popular for its simplicity and ease of mental calculation, being divisible by many numbers. The Rule of 72 is a fascinating financial trick to watch your money multiply, especially when aiming for returns between 5 and 12%. Deviate too far from that sweet spot, and the magic starts to fade. However, this rule remains a handy approximation. When dealing with lower interest rates, such as 2%, tweak the rule slightly by using 71 instead of 72. Conversely, for higher interest rates, add 1 to 72 for every 3 percentage points. For instance, if you're working with an 18% return, 74 becomes your new magic number. This financial shortcut not only simplifies the math, but also adds an element of suspense to the journey of growing your wealth. How to use the Rule of 72? Ever wondered how to effortlessly double your savings? The Rule of 72 is your fascinating financial shortcut that helps you calculate how long it will take for your money to grow. According to Steve Azori, a chartered financial consultant and owner of Azori Financial, this rule can help investors figure out how much they need to save for a major purchase or retirement. The beauty of the Rule of 72 lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can apply it to any investment amount or rate of return. You can even use it to work backwards, determining how much you need to invest and the rate of return required to hit your financial target. Imagine you're aiming for a $1 million nest egg by the time you turn 65. If you're currently 35, that gives you 30 years to reach your goal. By using the Rule of 72, you discover that you only need an annual return of 2.4% to double your money in 30 years. The formula is straightforward. 72 divided by the rate of return, R, equals the number of years, 30. Solving for R gives you 2.4%. Now, let's say you already have $500,000 saved up. By investing this amount at a modest 2.4% return rate, you can achieve your $1 million goal in 30 years without adding another penny. It's a conservative approach that demonstrates the power of time and compound interest, turning financial goals into achievable realities. How to use the Rule of 72 for your investment planning? When it comes to savvy investment planning, the Rule of 72 is a game changer. This clever formula can help you predict how long it will take to double your money, turning your financial dreams into reality. Imagine you've got $100,000 tucked away, earning a solid 10% annual return. With the Rule of 72, you can foresee your money doubling every 7.2 years. In a span of 22 years, your investment could potentially skyrocket from $100,000 to $200,000, then leap to $400,000, and finally, an astonishing $800,000. The Rule of 72 isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a versatile tool. Changes in interest rates, inflation, or unexpected financial needs? No problem. The Rule of 72 provides the foresight to adjust your investment strategy dynamically. Now let's talk strategy. Suppose you're evaluating the risk-reward balance of your investments. A conservative option with a 2% return would double your money in a leisurely 36 years. In stark contrast, a high-octane investment at 10% would achieve the same feat in just 7.2 years. The difference is striking. For young investors, the allure of high-risk, high-return ventures is undeniable. They have the luxury of time, allowing their investments to ride out multiple doubling cycles. As they edge closer to their retirement goals, however, a shift towards safer, lower-risk investments often becomes the prudent choice. At this stage, safeguarding their nest egg takes precedence over rapid growth. Embrace the Rule of 72 to navigate your investment journey with confidence, maximizing your wealth potential while aligning with your financial goals. Whether you're just starting or nearing the finish line, this powerful principle is your ticket to a prosperous future. Rule of 72 during inflation. Unlock the mystery of how inflation eats away at your hard-earned money with the captivating Rule of 72. This simple yet powerful tool reveals how quickly your purchasing power can dwindle when inflation rates hit around 8%. As seen in mid-2022, just divide 72 by the inflation rate. The result? In a mere 9 years, the value of your money is slashed in half. 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years to see your purchasing power halved. The Rule of 72 paints a vivid picture of inflation's impact, making the abstract concept of inflation strikingly tangible. Although high inflation might not persist indefinitely, history has shown that prolonged periods of inflation can significantly erode the value of your savings. Get ready to uncover the dramatic effects of inflation and arm yourself with the knowledge to protect your financial future. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the Rule of 72 and the incredible power it holds for your investments. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on how to grow your wealth, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, and remember, your financial future is in your hands.